Peter, my friend, I'm proud of you. From those wild boys to the man you are now, it has been an honour to grow up beside you. Back in the day, we caused a bit of mischief wherever we went. Trouble seemed to follow us, or either that or we chased it, I don't know. Through all those years, one thing has never changed. Peter is the definition of a family man. He's devoted to his wains and he's head over heels for Shelly. In all seriousness, to Shelly, I want to say you've married one of the best. So let's raise a glass to Peter and Shelly. May your life be filled with laughter and love. Cheers.
Welcoming you all here today to the Lodge Hotel for the ceremony of Peter and Shelly. Through their vows, they will make a commitment to each other for the rest of their lives together.
Firstly, I would like to thank you all for being here to share our special day with myself and Shelly. I think you will all agree on how beautiful my wife looks today and the girls by her side as well. Me and Shelly met in high school. This then led to dates in the tractor and spending a lot of time in Garva, which Granny and Granda questioned. I suppose you could say we both took the long way to getting on the right path with each other in our younger days, but we got there eventually. Now we have 3 beautiful weans at home now and married, so if everybody could join me in a toast to our future together, even though I don't have a drink to toast, but we'll just raise the glass anyway.
I'm just going to say something small for 2 special people who aren't here with us today, our Granny and Peter and Claire's mummy. Listen closely to your heart, you'll hear the whisper of my name. Although my chair is empty, I am with you just the same. Wishes for a perfect day, years of happiness and love, forever in my heart and watching from above. I am always with you.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of our love,
as a sign of our love,
trust and marriage.
trust and marriage.
I promise to care for you,
I promise to care for you,
to give you my love,
to give you my love,
friendship and support, and to respect and cherish you throughout our life together. It gives me great pleasure to now introduce you as husband and wife. Do you guys kiss your wife?
We would also like to welcome Peter into the family as our son-in-law. Let's make a toast to the new Mr. and Mrs. Reynolds.